Shit! Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Today we are driving over to the homie's house because we're gonna take a look at his fucking possessed patio light, front porch light. Fucking thing doesn't turn off. So anyway, just gonna cruise over, get out of the house, try to show everybody that they shouldn't be fucking scared to do shit. The media has everybody kind of shook and fucking kind of acting pretty crazy, crazier than usual, and that's a high bar to fucking hit. So we're gonna take a nice cruise in this Texas sunshine, go visit my boy, and thanks for joining me. Look at them fucking gas prices. Hell yeah. And that's kind of high right now. $1.39 a gallon. Yeesh. Might be eating ramen for a while. But I already kind of eat ramen, so everything's it's fucking upside down world. Man, it's beautiful out here. As far as the eyes can see. Yeah, America! Fuck yeah! You know what that is right there, people? Right in my backyard. Welcome to America, Texas Motor fucking Speedway. You better believe it, son of a bitch. Do it for Dale. America. Fucking horsepower right there. Give me a little boost right as I drive by. Trying to get this shit popping, y'all. Join the fucking Toxic Squad. Let's do this. This is my famous friend that I told you I was coming to help him drive. This is our concrete masonry bit. That shit ain't gonna work.
That shit's gonna work.
He said it's gonna work. I believe him. I want to believe him. Tips from me, and then you can then hopefully you help your next friend, so I don't have to. So that's why I'm trying to spread my seed knowledge into all your bosoms. Put my seed knowledge and I'm trying to fertilize your bosom.
Hey, that's some bullshit.
Yeah. Shit. Helping friends. It's beautiful. A fucking quarantine. Your new lights here. And his girl just left. She doesn't know we're ripping the fucking shit out of the living room. Look at fucking holes. She's gonna be fucking pissed. I'm gonna leave right as soon as she comes back with the food. I'm out. I wasn't gonna show you guys because I said, Chad, go grab me a hammer, dude. I gotta smash these mollies in. I said, go get me a hammer. This is what he fucking brought me. What? What the fuck? Look how fucking adorable this thing is. Oh shit, he caught me. I told him I wasn't gonna fucking rat him out, but this is just too funny. Like, maybe he'll give it to me, I'll make a necklace out of it or something. Hang it from my fucking rearview mirror on my Don't put it in yet. You just seeing if it fits?
Yeah.
It'll fit.
I have to go, no, that's...
Oh, that's money.
That's money.
Because we don't want to pry on it. Yeah. These are dope. Like, it just undoes right there. The little module or whatever the fuck you want to call it. The ballast and or fucking driver for LED, ballast for incandescent lighting. This is LED, which stands for lethargic, erratic displacement of light. Look it up. What's dope about these is you can choose your colors. I don't know if you can see that shit. I'm shaking like I got fucking Parkinson's disease, but anyway, you can change the temperature color on the switch on the fly, so you don't have to get a retrofit can or nothing like that. So Just plumb in your electrical, knock that shit out, plug it up, done deal, son.
Are they good?
What the fuck? Did not shut off the electricity. I just have immunity to electricity and making a mess, as you can see. But you undo the old wire, straighten these all out. How fucking dope is that? Just made a fucking mess.
You did make a mess.
Yeah. She has no idea. It don't get no better than that, y'all.
You know there's a little hidden surprise when you play with the colors in different colors.
Start to finish, 15 minutes. New lights in here. We're gonna go toxic in this bitch. Toxic masculinity. Like, share, subscribe, comment. Fucking dog me out in the comments. Let's get these numbers up, y'all. Share it with the world. Of the world, Craig. Toxic male of the world. Ha! Peace. Bear, what are you doing, dude? You want dinner? You want dinner? You want to eat? You want some dinner? You want dinner? Stand still if you're hungry. Getting used to these one-handed challenges here. This looks delicious. Oh, dude, you eat like a fucking king, bro. The little fucking tortorelli on the top. Oh yeah! Oh yeah!